Hi friends, this is Mainak Misra and welcome back to my channel. A powerful, devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake has struck eastern Indonesia today early morning. At least 47 people have been killed. More than 50 people have been injured and more than 2,000 people have been evacuated. It is a trying time for Indonesian people. Multiple disaster management teams and local rescue teams are working tirelessly day and night to rescue the trapped people who got trapped beneath the debris. But why did this earthquake happen? Indonesia sits on the vulnerable Pacific Ring of Fire, and Flores Island sits along the Flores back earth thrust fault line. It is the intersection of three tectonic plates: Indo-Australian, Eurasian, and Philippine Sea tectonic plates. And the Indo-Australian tectonic plate has been moving northward, creating immense pressure on Indonesian islands, resulting in crust rupture and this 7.7 devastating earthquake. And this region, this Flores Island and East Nusa Tenggara and West Nusa Tenggara, these provinces are highly earthquake prone provinces. And we feel terrible thinking about those devastating time periods when they face this kind of trauma. People shout for help. They become helpless and vulnerable. They don't know where to go. They see collapsed buildings, many buildings, roads, churches, hospitals have been damaged. So it's a very difficult time for Indonesian people. I hope and pray that they will recover the losses pretty soon and everything will be all right. That's the prayer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you and bye.